Hey, pop the trunk, I open up, I sold my soul a good price, out of sight, and my hoe got talent.
What's up, guys? TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you get notifications whenever I release new videos. So I created a video the other day about drop shipping, and it was part 1. This is going to be part 2 of that video. So what we're going to do is we're going to dive into the computer. We're going to look at some of the different programs that I use to perfect my drop shipping efforts. And I'm also going to show you a little bit about how I organize my drop shipping to make sure that I'm able to provide my products to my customers. And I think that's really going to be it. Anyway, if you have any questions about anything that I'm talking about in any of these videos, feel free to shoot me a message or leave a comment in the comment section below. I really appreciate it. And let's get into the computer, guys. Alright, so the first website we're going to talk about is called Thieve.co. That's THIEVE.co. And I'll put all these links in the description section below. But what this Thieve is going to do is going to show you all of the most popular viral products that are sold on AliExpress. So if you want to drop ship these items, I would advise you to come to this website, and it's free to use. I think they are going to have some kind of pricing model come out in the next couple of months, but if you get in now, you'll probably get a good price whenever they do actually monetize this website. So what this website does is it puts all these products on here that are being sold from AliExpress, and it allows people to rate them. So, you know, if you want to sell a really viral product, you can look at the numbers, and the numbers don't lie. You know, this right here is going to be a viral product. It has over 5,000 votes as a good product that sells. So, and this data is taken from a collection of different places. It could be ads, it could be you know, Instagram. It just gets data from a bunch of different places as to what items are hot selling items, and they separate it between men's, women's, homeware, electronic, kids, music, outdoor, sports, stationery, photography, toys, and baby clothes. So if you want to see stuff that was specifically for women, you can click on women's and it will show you things that are specific for women. So this is a really good place to start, especially if you're not exactly sure what you want to sell, or if you're not sure what direction you want to sell in, or if you want to keep within your niche. If you want to do a you know, a clothing type store or accessory type store, you can look on here and see the hottest selling accessories without really knowing a lot about the market. So that's the first little tip that I have for you, and that is Thieve.co. The next thing I want to talk about is Yabel. I've done a video on Yabel a while ago. Actually, it's been February the 18th or the 16th is when I made that video. And I went on my eBay store, and I have an example eBay store where I make tutorials and things from. And so I went in, I added on all these products with that Thieve just to kind of test it out. I didn't want to put it on my main store. And it's funny because actually one of the items sold, this LOL surprise pearl doll, actually is sold on that example store, which is, you know, so I actually made a sale on accident, you know. But this Yabel is really good if you want to drop ship on eBay from Amazon. So it lets you go on Amazon, and I'll put a link to it and up here at the top corner for the video showing you how to use this program right here. But you can use it as a free trial, or you can add on and get the upper tier program, which is going to give you a lot more functionality with this product, and it's very, very cheap. The pricing model is in that video in the link up there. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to show you is, I talked a little bit on the first video about drop shipping from Walmart and from Home Depot, and I'm just going to show you an example of what I'm talking about. A lot of people say, well, you can't drop ship from those sites. Well, I mean, more people are doing that than you probably realize. So I went through and I found an item that I thought was proprietary to Walmart, which is the Pioneer Woman. My sister, she loves the Pioneer Woman. She has like all of these kitchen utensils and bowls and pots and things from Pioneer Woman. But you know, you can go to Walmart. You can go actually inside of Walmart and buy it for $25 all day long. So I thought this was an item that was only proprietary to Walmart, you know, that people wouldn't be buying on a space like eBay. Lo and behold, I went and found a bunch of them. So normally, if you're watching my other videos, you know, on eBay, whenever I look and do product research, I go down here, you know, I put in my title, I click on search, but then I go over here to sold listing. So that shows me actual items that sold, not just listed, because you can list a bunch of items, but I'm talking about what was actually sold. So this right here was sold February the 27th for $37.90. As you can see right here, you can buy it for $25.08. This sold for $42. These are both the exact same product. $37.78, $40, $45. So as you can see, people are actually making sales with this. Look at this. They sold this for $12.88 with $25 shipping. I mean, how crazy is that? But this is the mind space that you have to get into when you're drop shipping. You can't be so hung up on the price that you don't get started. Go ahead and get started and adjust things as you need to progress your business. Another place that I mentioned was Home Depot. Home Depot, I just typed in KitchenAid food processor. This popped up. It's $39.99. They're selling it. Of course, this is the same thing. This is eBay. I typed in KitchenAid mini food processor. I clicked on sold items, and these are the items that sold with that topic. So here's one that sold for $39.52. It's the same exact KitchenAid mixer, different color, same one. Right here, the same day. This one sold for $49.95. As you can see, this one right here is $39.99. Let's see. Here's another one. It's the same one, different color, $46.75. Here's one, a different color, $68.02. So that's what I'm saying. You really have to go through and look at these items and think about what you want to sell. And sometimes it's not even about what you want to sell, it's about what other people want to buy. So you have to get out of the mind space of, I want to create a store necessarily, you know, around this, you know, because my passion, my passion is like technology, drones and things like that, but I don't have a drone store. I'm not saying that I won't ever have like a drone store, but for me right now, it makes sense just to get sales, and to get sales, I just have to sell things that are viral products. So the last thing I want to talk about on this video is going to be Shopify. So what I did was I just started a Shopify. If you are thinking about doing Shopify, don't think about it. Just go to shopify.com and open up an account. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to put in any payment information. I just made this right here. I named it Dose of Awesome. I just made this site like right before I started the video, and I didn't have to put in any credit card information, anything. So you can go on here, you can actually build out your store, and you get a 14-day trial. So as you can see right here, it says your trial just started, and you can select a plan. You don't have to select a plan until the last day of your trial. So if you want to start a Shopify store, go ahead and get started and start building out your store, because like I said, it's not going to cost you a penny until the trial is over with. All right, that was my PSA. So the first thing you want to do when you get on Shopify, this is the home page. You want to go down to apps, and the main app that's used for drop shipping is Oberlo. It's free. So you click on that, you click on get. We're gonna log in, and we're gonna install app.
Okay, let's just say you wanted to find a product. Let's look and see what we have. And we'll look at all products here. Maybe we'll go for this little cloud keychain thing. It's $2 or a little bit over $2.
All right, so they have a bunch of different ones, and you can go through here and check out which one you want, but this Thieve is showing it $2.36. So this one right here is relatively close to that. I'm going to show you how easy it is to import this. You're going to click on add to import list. All right. Go over to import list, and it's going to have, you can change the name, so you can just change it to cute magic cloud key holder. something like that. And we haven't made any collections. I'll just do homepage. You can change the type, you can insert tags if you want to, and you're going to click push to shop. All right, so now it's going to say your import list is empty. So if you want to import multiple items, you would just go through the list and you would add multiple items to your import list. So you go over here to my products, boom, there it is. It's already automatically listed on your store. It has a price on it, it has e-package shipping, it has all that stuff. And the way the Oberlo works is whenever you get an order with this, it's going to automatically update your inventory and everything. It's just going to be like a one-click. So when somebody comes to your store, they're going to order through your store and you're going to get a notification. You're going to go to your Shopify store and you're going to just do one click and it's going to automatically ship it to the other person. Now, you can go in here and change the pricing and things like that on your items. So let's go over here and see, let's go back to our store. Now I haven't built out my store, I hadn't done anything to build out my store, but we can view our products and see what we got. So right here it's showing us 201 in stock and it has 2 variants. Alright, so right here we can go in here, we can add images. You can take down images. If you do order these products and you take pictures of them yourself, you can add them here. It'll automatically upload the description from AliExpress or Alibaba. And this right here is where you can change the price. So this is a $2 product. You know, I may want to sell this for $9.99. Okay. This right here is showing you what the listing would look like inside of like a Google search or a Bing search. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can add tags, you can add different vendors, different things like that. And it's going to show you what it's going to look like. Now I hadn't set up my store, so the store is just whatever the default is. But this is actually what it looks like on the store page. If you were to go through and add your logo here, you put some menus up here, maybe put a different color background. And I have a separate video about building out your Shopify store, because that's a whole different thing. It's super easy, but that's a whole different thing in terms of adding and drop shipping products. So that's really it. That's all I want to show you. Let me show you one more thing before we get off of here. Another good drop shipping model or drop shipping thing, if you're going to do Shopify, is an app called Printful. So let's go and find Printful. All right, so what Printful is a print-on-demand app. So what you can do with Printful, and I'm not gonna go through here and add it, but what you can do with Printful is you can create t-shirts, you can create dresses, you can create bags. There's so many different things that you can create on Printful, and what you would have to do is you would have to get a designer or design the items yourself, and once you design those items, you can drop ship them. So they wouldn't print it until somebody actually ordered the product to be printed. The shipping times are really good. They are shipping from inside the States, so they'll get their product within, a week or so. Of course they do have to print the product. So that's another good way if you want to drop ship something different, or if you want to add some personal custom items to your store. Printful is a really good way to do that. All right, so that's going to be it for drop shipping. Like I said earlier, if you have any questions, please feel free to shoot me a message or hit me up in the comment section below. I hope I've shown you just a little bit about how to drop ship. I'm going to make some more videos about fulfillment by Amazon and Shopify here in the future, so be sure to look out for those if you want to start up an e-commerce business, or if you want to start Shopify, or if you want to start fulfillment by Amazon. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks, guys.